If a to the power x equals to b, it implies log b to the base a equals to h. Log a to the base a equals to 1. Log a to the base c plus log b to the base c equals to log ab to the base c. Log a to the base c plus log b to the base c. Log a to the base c minus log b to the base c equals to log a by b to the base c. Log a to the base c minus log log a to the power m equals to m log a. Log a base b equals to log a upon log b. I am not reading the bases. It means that you can also leave them. Log a to the power m equals to m log a. Writing the base means it contains the base. It doesn't mean that there is no base. When no base is written, remember 10 will be the base in arithmetic. In higher classes, you will study one more base in log e, exponential base. Okay. Then log a base b equals to 1 upon log b base a. Log a base b equals to 1 upon log 100 base 10 equals to 2. Log 10 equals to 3. Log 1 is always 0, whatever will be the base. Okay. But log 100 is not always 2. It is 2 only when base is 10. Log 1000 is not always 3. But when base is 10, then it is 3. Why? We can write this 100 as 10 square. So log 10 square to the base 10 means 2 log 10 base 10. 2 into 1 is 1. Similarly, log 1000 base 10 can be written as log 10 cube base 10. That is 3 into log 10 base 10. So log 10 base 10 is 1. So 3 into 1, it is 1. It is 3. Is that clear to everyone? So after learning these formulas, we can solve these questions in which we have to simplify log a cube minus log a square. So remind all these formulas. So you will get a formula in which there is log a minus log b equals to log a by b. So use that formula to solve this question. Log a cube by a square. So it is log a again. Log a cube divided by log a square means now use this formula log a to the power m equals to m log a. This log a cube becomes 3 log a. Log a square becomes 2 log a. So 3 log a divided by 2 log a equals to 3 log a over 2 log a. Log a cancelled out. So the answer is 3 by 2. Similarly, we can solve other questions also. So ask the next doubt. Next. Yes, you. Third. Log 4 over log 2. So you have to tell this how to solve this question. Log 4 over log 2. How to solve the question log 4 over log 2. Is there any relation between 4 and 2? Log, can we write 4 as 2 square? So log 2 square upon log 2. Then we have used this formula log a cube equals to 3 log a. This log a to the power m equals to log a. What will be the value of log 2 square if you use log a to the power m equals to m into log a? It will be 2 log 2 and denominator is already log 2. So these two log 2's will be cancelled out. Answer is 2. Is that clear? So what is the problem with this? Next. Whenever you read a question, put your finger below that line. Whenever you read anything, you have to put that your finger below that question. Everyone. Now read the question. Read again. Log a into log 9. 8. It's log 8. Log 8 into log 9 over log 27. Yes. So change them to minimum power, the minimum prime factors. We know the prime factors of 8 are prime factors of 8. It is 2 cube. And prime factors of 9. 3 into 3, that is 3 square. Prime factors of 27. 3 cube. So use them to simplify this. Okay. So what will we get? Don't answer in group. So log 2 cube equals to, use this formula again, log a to the power m equals to m log a. So it becomes what? 3 log 2 into 2 log 3. Put these brackets to learn that this 2 is not multiplied with this 2. They are different. This 2 is with log. Log 2 is a unique term, it cannot be separated. Log 2 doesn't mean that we are multiplying log with 2. It is log 2, single term. Log 3 is also single term. But 3 log 2 means we are multiplying 3 with log 2. Is that clear to everyone? So always remember this. Now, if any term is cancelled, can you tell that? Log 3 will be cancelled by log 3 and this coefficient 3 will be cancelled by 3. So if you want to cancel them by cutting them, first write them again. Don't cancel it directly. Sometimes if you do some calculation mistake, just go to the answer also with you. So leave that mistake in the same line. Now you can cut it. Log 3, log 3, 3. But whenever you want to cut it, write it again. Okay? Equals to. So we can write this 2 before log 2. 2 into log 2. Coefficient must always be written before 2. Now, if again we use the formula log a to the power m equals to m log a, means if we write it oppositely, m log a will be equals to log a to the power m. So if it is m and this is a, so what will be the answer? Log 2 square, that is log 4. So this is the most simplified form of this question. Look at this, log 8 into log 9 upon log 27, and its simplified form is log 4. Is that clear to everyone? Yes. Read the question from your book.
Express in terms of log 2 and log 3.
Okay. Express in terms of log 2 and log 3. Read the question. Those who don't have this book, write the question in your book, in your notebook. Yes.
Log 36.
Express log 36 in terms of log 2 and log 3. So first of all, prime factorize it. What are the prime factors of 36? 2, yes, tell this at board.
18.
2 into 18.
9.
2 9s are 18.
3.
3 3s are 9.
3. 1.
3 1. So prime factors of 36 are 2 square into 3 square. Why we are finding them in the prime factors, as we have to change it only in the terms of log 2 and log 3. Okay. So now write this 36 as 2 square into 3 square. Then which formula we must use? Can you tell?
Log 2 square into log 3 square.
Is there any formula of this? I am asking you the formula. Close your notebook. Don't read the formulas from your notebook. Listen at once. There is no formula like this. These are the product of two terms. 2 square into 3 square. Is there any formula which relates log of the product of two numbers? Is there any formula? There is no formula. This is the log of product of two numbers. We can write it from the other side also. What will be the formula of log AB? Log AB equals to log A plus log B. So read this question now. Log 2 square into 3 square. So if we consider a equals to 2 square, b equals to 3 square. So what will we get?
That we will get log 6 is equal to
Where is log 6? When I am telling you log AB equals to read this formula.
the log A is equal to log A plus log B.
So what is the value of A?
That's 2 square. 4.
B
That's 9.
3 square. You cannot say 3 square.
Log 2 square into 3 square is equal to the log 2 square plus log 3 square.
So we are writing it in terms of, the question is right in terms of log 2 and log 3. So you should not change it again to 4. Otherwise you will lose your progress. Before this, you have reached to 2 and 3 and you are losing that 2 and 3 by writing them 4 and 9. So how will you solve that question? So it is what?
Log 2 square 3 square.
Log 2 square
Log 3 square.
got 3 square.
That is
Plus log plus log
Tell the full line.
log 2 square into 3 square is equal to log 2 square plus log.
This is using the formula log AB, which is also written on the board. Log AB equals to log A plus log B. Don't tell it log 4 plus log 9.
and
I am telling only that. Now make the correction.
the log 2 square into 3 square is equal to
Continue.
log 2 square plus log 3 square.
I am telling you to tell this line only. Log 2 square plus log 3 square equals to what?
The log 2 square into 3 square.
Means you will return back to this line. Move forward. Is there any formula which relates powers in log? What is the formula?
Power n equals
There is no log in that formula.
log a to the power n equals n log a.
And log a to the power n is equal to log a to the power n to the base 3 is equal to log
Log a to the power n equal to n log.
Log a to the power n equals to n into log a. This is the formula. Log a to the power n equals to m log a. So use this formula in this line.
yes sir. The two log 2.
Only 2 log. Next term is not there.
The 2 log 2 plus 2 log 3.
It is 2 log 2 plus 2 log 3. And the question is right in terms of log 2 and log 3 only. The question is right in terms of write the expression in terms of log 2 and log 3. And this, I'll read the answer.
The 2 log 2 plus 2 log 3.
Now it is in terms of log 2 and log 3 only. This is the meaning of writing an expression in terms of log 2 and log 3 only. First, factorize this. So it is 2 square into 3 square means log 2 square into 3 square. Then this is A. A equals to 2 square, B equals to 3 square. Then use the formula log AB equals to log A plus log B. That is log 2 square plus log 3 square. Now use this formula log A to the power n equals to m log A. So it becomes 2 log 2 plus 2 log 3. Is that clear to everyone? Now read the second part of this question also.
Log 144.
Log 144. Now solve it. Tell the solution. Don't use the pen. Tell the solution. So what are the factors of 144? First,
20.
2,
The 70.
2 into 72. Next, 2 into what?
72.
So what will be the result?
61.
Huh?
61.
61. 2 3 are 6. 12 2 6 are 12. It is 36. 2 into 61 is 72. 2 into 2 3. It means that we are dividing the 72 by 2. 2 3 are 6. Remainder is 1. 2 6 are 12. Like this.
Yes.
Then
2 into 18.
2 into 18.
2 into 9. 3 into 2.
3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So what are the factors not to into 2?
But 2 to the power 2 into the power 2.
2 to the power 4 into 3 square. Continue.
Yes, sir. That we will write that log. We will write that log to the power 4 plus log to the power 2.
Log 2 to the power 4 plus log 3 square. Don't read it as 3 to the power 2. Read it 3 square. Okay. Read again.
Log 2 to the power 4 plus log 3 square.
Continue. And A is equal to.
Log 4 to the power.
We have to write the answer in terms of log 2 and log 3 only.
If I have log 2 to the power.
It is already log 2 to the power 4.
Equals to 4 log 2 plus log 3.
Which formula you have used?
It is log a to the power n equals log n log 2.
Use that formula only. It's okay.
The 4 log 2 plus 2 log 3.
Tell the formula also.
The formula is log 3
Log
to the power n equals to n plus log.
Sir, you are not audible.
Sir,
Sir,
you
you
are
are
muted.
muted.
Excuse me, sir.
Sir, your voice is not audible. You are muted.
So if there is log 4.5, first change it to fraction only, like 23 by 10 or 2.33 as 233 by 100. So what will be the value of log 4.5 then?
Log 45 by 10.
Then convert it to what?
Then 9 by 2.
Log 45 by 10 equals to log 9 by 2. Continue. Next line.
Then log 3 square upon log.
Upon log. Is there any formula which relates log A by B? Can you simplify log A by B?
Sir, log a minus log b.
Log a minus log
Tell the full formula always.
log a
Q.
The log A upon log B equals to log.
Is it log A upon log B?
Log A upon B equals to log A minus log B.
Q.
log a minus log b.
Q.
Log A upon B equals to log A minus log B.
Log a upon b equals log a minus log b.
Now
The log 9 minus
tell the formula again.
the log A upon B equals to log A minus log B.
Next.
The log 3 square
Log 9 by 2 equals to.
log
Use this formula only.
the log 9 minus log 2.
Equals to.
The log 3 square minus log 2.
Continue.
That
Sir, not sir. It's equals to. It is equal to.
equals
Is equal to.
to 2 log 3 minus 1 log 2. log
1 is not required. Log 2. By using which formula?
log m equal to
Log a to the power m equals to m log a. So this is the method by which we can write these terms in the terms of log 2 and log 3 only. Is that clear to everyone? Evaluate. What we have to evaluate?
Log
Log 10 divided by log cube root of 10. Log 10 divided by cube root of 10. Okay. So this can be written as what? Array, if there is a divided by b, how can you write it? A by b. Similarly, write this also in that term. Log 10 upon cube root of 10. Then log a by b. What is the formula for log a by b? So use that formula only. Minus log. Array, write this cube root of 10. Read it again. Yes. Now read all the lines of the questions. Cube root of 10. Continue. Equals to, what is the value of log 10? What is the value of log 10? We have not read this value. Log 10 means log 10 to the base 10. So what will be the value? 1 minus. And how will you simplify this? First change it to index form. Cube root of 10. How can you write the cube root of 10? Huh? In index form, it is 10 to the power 1 by 3. So use this concept. So what it will become? Log 10 to the power 1 by 3 equals to 1 minus 1 by 3 into log 10 by which formula? M log in that equals to 1 minus 1 by 3 in value of log 10. So leave it. So is it not 2 by 3? Is that clear to you? Understood? And we can solve it with other methods also. Like if you use the properties of index log 10 upon this cube root of 10 is equal as 10 to the power 1 by 3. Then right, we know that in division powers are subtracted. So it is 10 to the power 1 minus 1 by 3, that is log 10 to the power 2 by 3. So again, if we use this formula, 2 by 3 into log 10, value of log 10 is 1. So is it not 2 by 3? Okay. So we can first use the property of log, then the properties of indices. Or we can use first the properties of indices, then properties of log. But answers will always be same. They are not the different methods. They are the same methods. Is that clear to everyone? Read the next. Yes. 10 to the power? Yes. Tell now. 2, first term is 2. Log a to the power m equals to m log a. So, and whenever you multiply, apply the bracket. Okay. Don't write it like this. It appears that you are subtracting minus 3 log 10. So apply bracket. It means minus 3 log 10 will be multiplied to half. So it is 2 plus half into what? Or you don't know the value of log 10? When there is no base given, it means that it has base as 1. So it is 3 into 1. So 2 and multiply the numerators. 1 3 are 3, 1 are 3. So it is minus 3, denominator is 2. Then 2 to the 4 minus 3. So the answer is 1 by 2. Is that clear to everyone? Then read the next question. You. 2 log 5 plus what? 2 log 5 plus log 8 minus half log 4. Yes. So how will you simplify this? Tell now. Can you? We have read this formula that log a to the power m equals to m into log a, and we can use it like this form only. M log a equals to log a to the power m. Okay. Read this formula. A to the base m it is. Read it properly. Now tell again. This is the first line. Tell the next line. Log a to the power m equals to m log a. Then change the side only. Tell again. Use this formula to simplify 2 log 5. What will it become? Wait. Yes. Is that clear to you? As we know that m into log a equals to log a to the power m. In place of m it is 2. In place of a it is 5. So m log a equals to log a to the power m. 2 log 5 equals to u log 5 square plus write this log 8 as it is. First we have to remove the coefficients before using the form of log a plus log b. What is the formula of log a plus log b? What is the formula for log a plus log b? Log a plus log b equals to log a into b. So to use this form, we have to first remove the coefficient. That's why we are removing the coefficient. Is that clear to everyone? 2 log 5 is written as log 5 square plus log 8 minus this log 4. Log what? 4 to the power 1 by 2. So 5 square is log 25 plus log 8 minus 4 to the power half means square root of 4. And what is the square root of 4? 2. So we will write log 2. Now use log a plus log b. What is the formula for log a plus log b? Log ab. So if you use this formula to simplify log 25 plus log 2, don't tell log 200 directly. Instead say 25 into 2. 25 into 8 minus log 2. Now in next line simplify it. So it is log what? 200 minus log 2. Now use which formula? Log a minus log b equals to log a by b. So what will it become? Log 200 upon 2. That is log 100. Log 100. And what is the value of log 100? 2. So this is the answer. Is that clear, everyone? Log 100 to the base 10 we already have studied today that it is equal to 2. So use that form only. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now start solving all these questions which we have discussed today and ask your doubts if you have any. Start from the first. And if you have doubt in first again, then ask it again. Without any hesitation, ask it again and again and again.